My head, my feet are like two lumps of lead. I'm standing here, half drenched, half dead, and I'm standing at your window.
Let me in, the soldier cried, cold, heavy, windy night. Let me in, the soldier cried, for I'll not come back again.
Oh, my father, he watches down on the street. My mother, the bedroom keys she keeps. All the doors and the windows, they do creak, and I dare not let you in, no.
Let me in, the soldier cried, cold, heavy, windy night. Let me in, the soldier cried, for I'll not come back again.
Oh, she's rose up and let him in. She's kissed her true love cheek and chin. She's drawn him between the sheets again. And she opened and she let him in. No.
And she's blessed the rainy night, cold, heavy, windy night. And she's blessed the rainy night, and she opened and she let him in.
Oh, soldier, won't you stay with me? And soldier, won't you marry me? Oh no, that ne'er can be. So fare thee well forever.
And she's blessed the rainy night, cold, heavy, windy night. And she's blessed the rainy night, and she opened and she let him in.
And he's jumped up all out of the bed. He's put his hat all on his head, for she had lost